back to Angels Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and I'm here with day 3 of the Kelly Dowling and Kara Brandon Friends November Christmas Make Something Challenge. Okay, and day 3 is ribbon. So what I've done is I took some of this ribbon here, and I'm going to show y'all what I have made. I made a little bow. Cute, huh? So you can make it with any ribbon that you want. And it is very easy. All I did was cut a piece long enough to wrap around my hand, like so. And I kind of spaced my fingers to where these two ends meet at the bottom. I'm just going to take this and the top piece, crunch it together, and take this piece of ribbon, and I want this piece here to end up at the bottom here. So I'm just gonna close it like so, and this is all wired, so there's not much to worry about. But this one seems to be giving me an issue, so we're gonna go back with this one. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna push it in real tight, but I'll be able to undo the bow the way I want. So what I'm going to do, take these, spread them like this, okay, and then take the one inside and pull it. Need to pull this over a bit more. And then twist, pull it, and twist it like so. Same thing on this side. Pull it out, twist it, and you have your bow. Okay, so that's my number, day 4. Take Christmas ribbon and make a bow. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Oh, I like the smaller one better. Okay. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be crafty. Be caring. Be safe. Be creative. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Now let me see if I can get this the way I want it back again. Like so. I might have to glue this on the back. So, So, I will give y'all an update on my bow when I have it glued. Okay, so bye-bye for now.